screen copy, or as we call it, scrcpy. I think this is the best way to stream your phone to your system. This can be done via Wi-Fi, but it's too complex and honestly the latency matters. So if you are doing any type of streaming, showing your phone or your screen in office or even gaming, so if you are gaming on your phone and showing it on the screen, you need screen copy. Okay, scrcpy. Before going into that, you need to have Google ADB drivers. So you make sure you have installed. If you just Google the Google ADB drivers, you will get this. You can download the zip file. It is pretty simple stuff. Let me actually do it. I think that would be better. I already have it, so I don't have to worry. But let's say you don't have it. Okay, so extract here. Where did you go? Here it is. You go into USB driver, you right click this INF file and you just click on install. Okay, as soon as you do that, it will install the drivers in your system, and the next time you will plug in your Android device with USB debugging on, I will talk about it later, it should show up in your device manager. If it doesn't show up in your device manager, it won't work. You know what, I will link this in the sheet. Yeah, okay. So now how do you install scrcpy or screen copy? You can either go to screen copy website or you can go to this. Both links will work. I have never done it through website, so let's do it through the website. If you are on Linux, this is quite simple, but let's say you're on Windows 64-bit. If you are on 32-bit, click on 32-bit. Let's see what happens if it downloads. I have never done this. I have only downloaded the zip file. So let's see what happens. It will only take 20 seconds. 18, 20, 18, 16, 17. For this, you will have to enable USB debugging on your phone. I will show you how you can do that right now. As soon as this downloads, probably should have downloaded it before. Okay, so this is also the zip file, so nothing, alarming or something. I thought there would be a setup or something. So yeah, you have downloaded the scrcpy. Place it into C drive or somewhere. I think that would be better. Okay, I'm going to rename it for now scrcpy, and I'm also going to put everything here. Okay, so ADB application is already here. You do not need to install ADB differently. Okay, and in this folder, if you click on scrcpy, if you just double click it, it will start running the you can see my phone. As you can see right now, my phone is here, but for most of you, this will not happen so easily. You will first have to go into setting. Let me show you. You can also control it via the system. I think that is a great thing. So in most phone, you go into about phone and you click the there is a, what's the version called, build version. Okay, there is a build version on most phone. You keep tapping it like this and it will show you that you are a developer. On MIUI, I think it is in MIUI version. You tap it quite a few times, it will tell you that you are a developer. Okay, after that you can go back, and it's better just to find the setting. They keep moving it around. You find developers options. Okay, and you will see once this is enabled, you will have to enable USB debugging. Okay, once you have done that and you will connect your phone for the first time, it will give you a notification on your phone that allow RSA connection from Windows or not. You have to do yes. On MIUI devices, this is just for MIUI devices, you will also have to enable USB debugging. If you do not enable it, you cannot control the phone from your laptop, and to enable it, you will have to add an MI account, and you will have to add a SIM, and you will have to add a, I know it's a bunch of steps, but you only have to do it once. As you can see, I don't even have a SIM on this one. So yeah, add an MI account. If it is an MI phone, add an MI account, enable USB debugging setting, and enable USB debugging, enable this, and then you can take out the SIM card, remove. I don't think you can remove the MI account. You know what? Let me check if I removed it or not. What happened? Oh, yeah, I have to keep it added. I know it is a pain. It is a pain. Anyways, so once you do that, you can run such amazing apps like this, which I made. If I click on roll, it gives me 2. If I click on roll, it gives me 5. I mean, just amazing apps. And the other app, I mean, what can I say? 6 stars out of 5. Anyways, so yeah, that's the point. And one more thing, you will want to actually send to desktop create shortcut. You would want to do that so that every time you want, you can just double click on it and it will start right away. Okay, in OBS. So let's say I want to record it in OBS. I can go and I can even do a window capture of just that, of just this phone. And I can, as you can see, I can move this around. I can make it big. Also, if I open any app on my phone that is landscape, I have not thought this through. Okay, let's say a camera. Okay, I have made this. Can this be landscape now? No, I have to find an app that can. Just gonna let me auto rotate it. Let's see what happens. Where is auto rotate? Okay, now if I open this app, okay, as you can see, so if you're in landscape mode trying to play a game or something, the app will open like this. Okay, so and you can adjust everything else as you want. Is it enabled? Yeah, so you can see, and I can also, I have not added anything in this app, stupid app. Anyways, so yeah, that is scrcpy. Do you want me to show it how it runs on Linux? It might be hard. Okay, let's keep it to Windows for now. Steps are same. Okay, on Linux the steps are same. It might not work, but you know what, let me just give it a try, because my Linux is not, it is not or as dual booted on a system. It is in VM, and a lot of things changes in a VM, so I do not know what will happen. But the steps are, at least I will give you the steps. So the steps are here. You just click on download. Where is the command? Here is the command, apt install scrcpy. Okay, so you will have to run sudo apt. How is this command? Is this it? scrcpy. Okay, it will ask yes, just put yes. Okay, did it install? Yes. So now I do scrcpy and I press enter, and let's see if this works. Yep, this I will have to install a link for the USB connection in the virtual box. Anyways, so the point is you can do it. It's not that difficult. And I think this is the best lowest latency one that I have seen. Okay, on macOS, also this also works on macOS. You can just do blue install scrcpy. So yeah, and if you are not going to donate to this person, at least you can go to scrcpy make account and star it. Okay, so everything is open source. You can even build it for your own system if you want. This guy is amazing. Where is his name? Where is the main person? Where is he? 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 Where are you, man? Mikhail. It's not Mikhail. When is Mikhail? Where is the Mikhail? Where are you, man? Yeah, here it is. Roman Vimont. Okay, so it's not Mikhail, it's Roman Victor. And if you open it, is GitHub, and you can click on sponsor here, and you can send him money. I tried doing it, it doesn't work in India. I don't know what is wrong. Anyways, so yeah, great guy. Let him know you support him, and this is he made it free and open source. I think that should be commended. Anyways, see you later.